It's been winter for about 2 to 3 weeks now, and we're targeting spear noses and cow sharks.
What's up guys, so I'm going to rig the new 12 monster circles with the yellowtail head. It's decently yellowtails, decently nice yellowtails. Just trim it down a little bit. So it looks something like that. Just get yourself a dingle dangle. I use this dingle dangle grabber to make my life easy for me. I stick it through either the back or through the tongue, out like that. Pull it through like that. Through both lips, through the one lip, through the whole. What's up guys, so what I did here was my fish was stuck behind a crevice, so all I did was I tugged it a little bit to irritate it, and I gave it a whole bunch of slack after like 3 or 4 tugs, and then as you can see the fish eventually started swimming again. And then the key is here, once it starts swimming again, to pull it as hard as you possibly can.
We just saw the leader now. He's fishing with about an 8-meter leader, and as you can see, life is hard. And oh, there's the leader. I don't know if you guys can see it. Guys, let's see. Oh, there's the tray. Solid for you, bro?
Maybe I haven't just caught a spear nose in a while, but that thing was quite strong. So as you can see, I eventually landed the stubborn spear nose on a yellowtail head. Seems to work very well for them. But what's cool about these fish is their distinctive features, like these horns that they have on their heads and their tails. Also, of course, their nose.
What's up guys, so it's the end of our session. We ran to the car a bit, got very rainy and windy. I don't know if you can see it through the windshield, but we got cold and we decided it wasn't worth it anymore. But not a bad session, too bad a session. We managed a nice big, what do you call those things, spear-nosed stingrays, and a decent soup fin and a couple of odds and ends, small fish. A lot of small fish in the water, had quite a few bites. We lost 2 decent fishies. Yeah,